Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jocelyn and I'm really excited to be here with you today. I started this channel because I decided to share everything that I know about business with others. I make my own products and I'm really excited to share those how-tos with you. I make lotions, body butters, soaps, bath bombs, scrubs, the works, and I'm excited. I started making my own products when my granddaughter and a friend of mine had eczema. And I wanted to make a cream for them that would help them with their skin issues. So I did my research and I came up with this cream, to help with their skin issue. And it helped. It helped their skin. And I was really, really excited about that. And I'm like, wow, I can make skincare products. And that was the beginning of my journey in business and manufacturing my own products. So I'm excited to share those how-to-dos with you and other things to inspire you, to let you know that you too can make your own products or provide a service for others. Now, I want to talk a little bit about how to start your business, because I've heard a lot of people say, look, all you have to do is this, that, and the other, you're in business, boom, as if it's an easy thing. You know what I mean? I mean, sure, it's not hard, but it's a process and you have to know that process. You can't just jump into business just assuming that, oh, I'm in business now. No, you have to have a process. The process is that you have to have an EIN number, you have to register your business with the state, among other things, you have to have a business account. So these are some of the things that we're going to touch bases on, so that I can enlighten you, as I was enlightened on how to do this process so that you can be successful. So I'm really excited, and I say excited a lot, but I am. I'm overwhelmed with excitement about this journey that I'm taking in business. So I'm going to be talking a lot about that on this channel, and I'll be talking about other things, that has a lot to do with being successful. Being motivated, for one thing. And sometimes, hey, we're human and we get discouraged, but we have to learn how to keep it moving regardless of what we feel. Sometimes you got to pat yourself on the back and say, hey, I'm going to be okay and I'm going to keep it moving. The worst thing that you can do is give up. Never give up. Never say, oh, I can't do this. This is too hard. Or this is not for me. I don't have the education and all that to do this. Listen, it's not hard. And all you have to do is do your research. If you have a passion for something and you want to provide to the world a service or your products, then go for it. Don't limit yourself, or don't feel that you can't accomplish these goals that you have in your mind and in your heart, because you can reach for the stars just like anyone else. So my channel is to encourage you to move forward in that dream that you might have in your heart. And it doesn't matter how old you are, you can still be successful. As long as you have a dream and that passion, you can do it. Maybe you just want to make a few extra dollars, to provide for your family, pay bills, whatever the case may be. Or maybe you want to leave a legacy for your family. Whatever is your reason for doing it, let that be your motivation. When you get discouraged, look back and think about that. And that's going to give you that drive to keep on going. When I started out, I had all sorts of reasons why I wanted to make my products and present it to the world. When I was growing up, I didn't have it easy. My family, was on public assistance. We lived in Brooklyn, New York. We lived in the projects. We moved every year. So, after having that kind of experience, you do want to do better for yourself. So that gave me the motivation and the drive, to be successful and not to give up. Even though there was some times when I did, hey, let's keep it real. I wanted to give up on a lot of things. I really did. But then, I thought about those things that I didn't want my children or my children's children to go through. So I did whatever was possible to keep that from happening to them. And you just have to stay motivated within yourself. Sometimes you gotta just say, hey, give yourself a pat on the back and say, you can do this. Just keep it moving in spite of what you may see or feel. Don't let that be your guide, your feelings, or what you see, because sometimes you can see something, and it can discourage you, or you can feel a certain way, and then you just don't want to do it. But don't be driven by your feelings or by what you see. Have that dream and follow that. What you want to become 5 years from now. What do you want for your family 2 or 3 years from now? Make that short-term, long-term goal. Always have something to strive for. What is your destination? What is it that you want to accomplish in life? What is your purpose in life? So all of these, are combined with starting your own business. People, you just don't get into business. Well, some people do, but the majority of people that start businesses have passions for it, or they want to present a service, or they want to help others. Let helping others be your drive. When I started making products, I'm like, wow, I can present this to the world. I can help people with their skin issues. I can help people beautify their skin. So that was something that, kept me going. So on this channel, we are going to talk about a lot of things. We're going to talk about, the motivational part, the inspiring part, how to start a business, the do's and the don'ts, my experiences, my failures, and what motivated me to continue on. We're going to talk about failure, because failure is, I don't really believe in failure. Failure, it's a word, but you don't fail. No one fails. It's just there to let you know, okay, you have to go back and let's do it again. Let's find out why it didn't work the first time and figure out, okay, what do I have to do to make it work? So failure is just an opportunity for success. Opportunity to let you know, hey, okay, something didn't go right in this formula. I maybe added too much or added too less, or have to check out what my figures are, or what my measurements are. Whatever the case may be, you can become successful. Don't let it stop you. If you make a mistake, just do it over. Figure out, okay, what do I have to do to make it right? And keep it moving. So I'm excited. I'm really excited about this channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel, and I'm going to be bringing you so much content about different things, not only just business, but I want to bring things like weight loss, food, different travel, all kind of things that I know you will love and enjoy. So I really am excited about it. So thank you so much for viewing my channel. Please, again, like and subscribe to my channel. If you have something you want to discuss, please leave it in the comments, and I will really get back to you. And another thing, 2022 is on its way in, and I want to wish you a happy new year, and think about all those successful things that you're going to be doing in 2022. Your life is not going to be the same. You're going to go up. Okay? God bless. Thank you again for coming and viewing my channel.